Hello friends, in this video, we will learn about Starlight camera and technology. Starlight cameras are security cameras with special starlight sensors to provide improved color vision in low light conditions. Starlight technology uses optical, sensor and image processing technologies to provide clear images in dark environments. Any camera with an IR cut filter, ICR, is designed to switch to night mode when the camera senses that insufficient light is available to reproduce good color images. Starlight has the upper hand when compared to cameras with simple infrared. Starlight night vision offers superior night vision than typical infrared night cameras. The image clarity and quality of Starlight cameras offer color at night even in low lighting conditions. Starlight cameras employ a super-sensitive sensor and high-grade lens to offer optimal night vision with high resolution. For challenging low-light applications, CP plus ultra-low light Starlight technology offers best-in-class light sensitivity, capturing color details in low light down to less than 0.007 lux. The camera uses a set of optical features to balance light throughout the scene, resulting in clear images in dark environments. Camera can be manually adjusted to produce images without any IR. Full color technology. It allows the camera to remain in color mode and to capture more available light to reproduce color images with superior detail and contrast in applications with at least 1 lux of ambient or artificial light. Starvis sensor. Starvis is back-illuminated pixel technology used in CMOS image sensors for surveillance camera applications to provide excellent low-light imaging for visible and IR light. Starlight cameras can be applied in a wide range of situations and environments. For example, in a playground, fuel station and a bar or club can benefit from Starlight technology. Thank you for watching.